All right, so we're going to do a little continuation of the cloning process. So they've been in there for roughly right around 3 days right now. So when the plants are in there, we're actually about to add a little bit of nutrients just because we do expect the roots to start popping out here pretty soon. But even so, we're not going to let that ppm get above like 100 or so. And I don't know the EC conversion off the top of my head, but so right now there's like 10 or 20 ppm inside this tank, and we have the pH we're monitoring constantly, which is 5.9. And then I use a little eyedropper if I need to adjust it. That just has some pH up in it. And we also, here's what we use for our conductivity. So this will tell you your ppm, or it'll tell you your EC, whatever you decide to set the units at. And then temperature is another big one that we monitor in here, and we have our water chiller right here for that. And then we do have, we add an air stone through this little air pump. I actually need to buy the fitting, but this goes on here, and that pumps air into there all the time. And you can add an oxygen machine to add more pure oxygen to that water, which is always good for killing pathogens. And the one thing, now that we're 3 days or so in, that we want to start looking for is for roots to pop out. So in a really good, efficient like cutting process, you can get roots in about 4 to 6 days. Right now we're about 3. Just because we don't have complete control of the environment here in the greenhouse, we probably won't see roots in these until about 9 to 10 days. But it's still good to start looking right around that, like coming up on a week's worth of time. And that just allows you to kind of know when you should start adding more nutrients and things like that. So that'll be the next video that we shoot.